All right, guys, welcome back to Ernesto's Coffee Adventures. Before we start this video off, I just wanted to give a shout out to everybody that's supported me on the channel. Ever since I've been doing the truck reviews, I didn't expect to take off like it did. So I'm pretty shocked. I didn't think. I just figured I would do just a simple vlog, a tour of the truck. Because I love trucks, I love cars, but when I initially did this vlog, it was going to be a travel vlog, which I still want to do, but I think moving forward, my niche will probably switch to trucks and cars and reviews and all that good stuff. I'll be doing a lot of reviews on the truck. I know you guys have been requesting more videos. Just with what I do for my day-to-day job, it's pretty hard, but I'll try to push out more content for you guys. But I did want to say thank you guys for the support for the channel, for liking the videos, subscribing, for the comments, for the good and bad comments you guys leave. I love them. I think they're awesome. And like I said, I make mistakes when I'm doing the reviews. Sometimes I might say not correct information, and I'll have to look at the video and be like, oh snap, somebody's gonna comment on that. So I do my best. Sometimes I get a little flustered with the camera. It's weird because I can talk to a group of people, but when it comes to when the camera goes on, I just go like, it's funny. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for the support for the channel, and I know you guys have been requesting more content on the truck. I might go ahead and do some reviews on other vehicles as well. I've been reaching out to other companies and seeing if I can work with them to try to start try to make this out of something. Like I said, it's more of a hobby for me because I love to look at trucks, to look at all different types of vehicles. And this truck itself has been amazing. It's every time I drive, it's like a luxury. So I will be doing videos on different types of videos, like the 5 things I hate, 5 things I love. There's really not much that I hate about the truck, but it's more things that I love about the truck than anything else. So yeah, so today's video, I'm actually going to be taking the truck. I took the truck to get all the windows tinted to include the sunroof, but I got to take it back today to fix the sunroof because check this out. What? In fact, I think it's this one. Yeah. So I tinted the sunroof, and then check this out. Oh no. Yeah, that's what happened. So I am gonna go ahead and take it back today and have them fix it. I might even do the windshield, but let's see. Let me know if you guys think I should do the front windshield. They said it's not good, but it just gives the truck a different look if I do it. I think I went too light on the front, but I don't want to go too dark. And since I do travel a lot, I guess I just don't want to get pulled over. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for the support, and yeah, and until next time. It's got some leftover coffee, good for the road. All right, guys, welcome back. I just pulled into the window tint spot to get the film removed from the sunroof. Yeah, check it out. So hopefully remove all this. I don't know what happened there, but yeah. The last time I brought it here, they did a good job. They did all the windows. It's just the sunroof that needs to get fixed. I still don't know if I want to do the front windshield, but we'll see if they even have time for me. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a few minutes, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I ended up getting the tint, and I ended up going darker on the front windows. Check it out, much better now. It's got the dark tint, got the dark tint. Let's go inside. Oh yeah, much better. And got the top fixed. Oh, much better. Alright guys, welcome back. So yeah, so the tint looks really good. The fact that I went darker on the windows, it's gonna help out a lot with the light coming in. Sunroof looks good. Now with the front windshield, I almost went with the tint, but vehicles in Virginia get inspected, and that's a no pass for the front windshield. So I will do the windshield. There's ways around it. But it's not a priority right now. Eventually I will get the front windshield tinted, just because the glare at night kind of really bugs me. And yeah, so eventually I'll get that fixed. But hey, thank you guys for tuning in to the channel once again. Thank you for all the support you guys have given me as well. And remember, every adventure starts with a cup of coffee. All right, guys. Until next time.